Okay, wait, hold up. You're still using that speaker? Come on now, 2025's here. It's time to upgrade. Hey, I'm Maria Moses, and if you're anything like me, you want your music to slap, your bass to punch, and your speaker to actually last more than like 20 minutes. So yeah, today we're talking about the best Bluetooth speaker right now. No fluff, no tech mumbo jumbo, just real talk. All the product link in the description. I have a Amazon and AliExpress $12 off with free shipping discount code available. Link in description or visit promowelt.com. So grab a snack or like your cat, let's go. Number 1, JBL Flip 6. All right, so the JBL Flip 6, this thing, it's small, but don't underestimate it. The bass, way better than I expected. You feel it, even outdoors. And yeah, it's waterproof, actually waterproof. I dropped it in the sink and it just kept playing like nothing happened. Battery, 12 hours, for real. I charged it once, used it the whole weekend. No voice assistant, no aux port, not a big deal for me. Bluetooth solid, connects fast. Honestly, for the size and price, it's kind of the go-to speaker right now. Loud, durable, just works. If you want something simple that sounds good, this is it. If you want to buy or more info, link in the description. Number 2, Soundcore Motion X600. All right, so this is the Soundcore Motion X600. And yeah, it's kind of nuts. I wasn't expecting this much sound from a Bluetooth speaker. It's got that spatial audio thing. You hear sound from above you. It's weird, but in a good way. Bass is clean, loud, not muddy. I tested it outside, still sounded crisp. Battery, around 12 hours. Waterproof too, like IPX7. So yeah, rain party, you're good. Only downside, a bit chunky for some bags, and no voice assistant. But it's all about the sound. If you want something that feels like a mini cinema, this one hits. Number 3, Marshall Emberton III. I took this little guy out last weekend, just chillin' by the lake, right? I turn it on and boom, the sound. It's clean, loud, you feel the music, not just hear it. It's got that Marshall vibe too. Retro look, tough build. I dropped it, don't ask how, still fine. So look, battery, you get around 30 hours, not kidding. I charged it once, forgot about it, still played. It's waterproof IP67. Don't toss it in a pool, but rain's cool. Bluetooth 5.1, solid range. You walk around, no drops. Oh, and you can stack 2 together now. Stack mode, pretty dope for parties. Is it perfect? Nah. No mic, so no speakerphone calls, and no app EQ stuff unless you grab their app. But honestly, it's a speaker. It does the one thing right. Sound. That's what I care about. If you want something compact, powerful, and just cool to look at, this one's a win. I'll drop the Amazon link below if you want to check it out. Might be a discount, I don't know. Number 4, Bose SoundLink Max Portable Speaker. So, real quick story, I brought it out to a backyard get-together. Just a chill evening, lights, snacks, good vibes. Hit play on this thing and bruh, everyone turned around wait, that sound's coming from that speaker? It's big, not huge, but it's got weight, solid, rugged, kinda like it's ready to go camping and DJ a rooftop party. So here's the thing, battery life up to 20 hours, and I mean real 20. Bluetooth smooth, no skips, no weird delays. And it's waterproof, IP67. I splashed it on accident, it laughed. Oh, and the bass, yo. Bose did not hold back. It's got this deep, clean thump, but not messy. It doesn't drown the mids or vocals. That's rare. Now, let me be real. It's not tiny. You won't just toss it in your hoodie pocket. But if you're trying to get real sound, room-filling, backyard-filling sound, this hits hard. It's a vibe machine. Number 5, JBL Go 4. So I tossed this in my backpack, right? Went to the park with some friends, super chill, nothing crazy. Pulled this out, hit play, and everyone turned yo, is that your phone? I just pointed at the Go 4 and smiled, nope, this little guy. Okay, real quick, some things I noticed. It's loud, actually loud for its size. It's got that punchy JBL bass, even though, yeah, it's tiny. Waterproof, dustproof, you can drop it, splash it, whatever. Battery, around 7 hours. I got close to 6 with decent volume, so pretty solid. And the design, kinda cute. Comes in fun colors too. Feels more modern than the Go 3. Now, don't expect like room-shaking audio or deep cinematic vibes. Come on, it's pocket-sized. But for chill vibes, small rooms, outdoor meetups, this hits. It's not trying to be a party speaker. It's more like, yo, I'm compact, I'm cool, I got you. So yeah, if you want something really portable that still sounds clean, loud, and doesn't break the bank, the JBL Go 4 is worth checking out. I'll drop the Amazon link below if you want to see specs, colors, or just grab one. And if you liked this kind of chill review, drop a like, maybe hit subscribe. I do more of these honest, no-fluff vids. All right, I'm out. Catch you in the next one. Peace.